Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to easily conceal your like counts on Instagram. It's a very straightforward process. Looking at my profile, this specific post currently displays 93 likes. To hide this information, start by tapping the three horizontal lines located in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Settings, then navigate to the Privacy section. Next, tap on Posts. You will see an option labeled Hide Like and View Counts. Switch this toggle on. When it turns blue, the total number of likes and views from other accounts will no longer be visible to you. For your own content, you can hide these metrics during the creation process by accessing advanced settings and enabling the hide option for that specific post. Note that the main toggle primarily affects how you see others' counts. Now, when checking the post, you can still see who liked it by clicking View Likes, but the specific total is hidden. If you want to hide likes on your own profile, ensure you do so while creating the post. If this guide helped, please subscribe and like the video. Let me know in the comments what tutorials you want to see next. See you soon.